Ready to send money from your Wise account directly to your Maya wallet? Let's get you set up, step by step. First things first, log into your Wise account. Make sure you have the amount you want to send readily available on your Wise dashboard. You'll want to initiate a new transfer. Look for the Send Money or Transfer button and tap it. Now, you'll need to tell Wise where the money is going. For this tutorial, we're sending to the Philippines, so select Philippines as the recipient country on this screen. You'll also enter the exact amount you wish to transfer from your Wise balance. Or if you're sending to someone else, you can enter that amount here. The next crucial step is selecting how you want the money to arrive in Maya. Wise offers various options. You'll want to choose bank account as the delivery method. This is because Maya functions as a bank account for receiving transfers like this. Now comes the essential part, entering Maya's bank details for the account number. You will use your 12-digit Maya account number for the bank name. Type in Maya Bank Inc. You won't need to worry about a branch name for this transfer. Double-check these details carefully. Accuracy is key. Before you finalize, Wise will show you a summary of your transfer. Take a moment to review everything: the amount, the recipient details, and the fees. Once you're confident everything is correct, proceed to confirm and send your funds. And that's it. Your funds are now on their way to your Maya wallet. Depending on processing times, you should see the funds reflect in your Maya account. Shortly, you'll receive a notification within the Maya app confirming the successful deposit. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred money from Wise to Maya. Seamless international transfers are just a few taps away. Happy sending!